In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your uploads in Leonardo AI Desktop. To get started, open the Leonardo AI app in your browser and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the navigation area and click on Library. This is where Leonardo keeps your stored content, including items you've uploaded for use in your projects. After the library page opens, click on Your Uploads. This section is specifically for files you've added yourself, so it's the right place to manage anything you no longer want to keep. If you've uploaded a lot of content, this page can get crowded, so the next tool will help make things easier. Click on Filters. From there, you can narrow down your uploads by type, such as image, video, or audio. This is especially useful if you only want to delete one kind of file instead of scrolling through everything manually. Taking a moment to filter first can help you avoid selecting the wrong items. Next, move your cursor over the image, video, or audio file you want to remove. When you hover over it, you'll see a check icon appear. Click that check icon to select the file. If you want to delete multiple uploads, repeat the same process for the other items. You can also hold Shift on your keyboard while clicking Uploads to speed up multi-selection, which is helpful when you're cleaning up several files at once. Once you've selected everything you want to remove, click on Remove. Leonardo AI will then ask you to confirm the action so you don't accidentally delete something important. Finally, click Delete to confirm. After that, your selected uploads will be removed from your library. And that's it. If you take your time with filtering and selection, deleting uploads in Leonardo AI Desktop is quick and straightforward.